Numbers 1 to 1000. This is our first chapter of mathematics textbook. We are going to do 3 topics today from this chapter. Numbers in words or figures, ordinal numbers, comparing and ordering. Let's start with our first lesson. Topic for our lesson 1 is numbers in figures or words. Objectives for this lesson are to match the numerals with numbers, to write the numbers in figures, to write the numbers in words. Alright children, let's start the lesson with mental starter. In mental starter, we will do an activity. You have to write down the given numbers in words. Just observe the given numbers carefully and recall place value. First of all, you have to identify the place value for each of the given digits. It will help you to write down the given numbers in words. Just take your time and think about it. Okay, now coming towards the answers. Our first number is 75. 5 is at the unit place and 7 is at the tens place. It makes 75. Look at the second number. This is a 3-digit number. We have 3 at the units place, 7 at tens place and 2 at the hundreds place. So it makes 273. And you have to write it down using correct spellings. Look at the third number. This is 338. In the same way, you have to take care of place value while writing down the given number in words as well. Alright, hope you have recalled the place value completely. Keeping place value into your mind, you have to write down that how many hundreds in each of the given number are there. For example, our first number is 271. 271. Starting from the very right side, 1 is at the units place, 7 is at the tens place, and 2 is at the hundreds place. So we have 2 hundreds in this first number. In the same way, you have to observe the rest of the given numbers so that you can find out that how many hundreds are there within the given numbers. Take your time. Let's come up with the answers. It's not that difficult. In the second number, how many hundreds are there? Yes, there are 3 hundreds. If you have completely recalled place value, you can very easily answer for each of the number. For the third number, there are how many hundreds? Yes, there are 4 hundreds. And for the next number, 525, how many hundreds? Yes, there are 5 hundreds. The same way, number 703 has 7 hundreds. And 725 has 7 hundreds. 820, the second last number. How many hundreds are there? Yes, there are 8 hundreds. And the last number, 921, has 9 hundreds. Yes, correct. This is the time to watch the video. This relevant video will be helpful for you to have a better understanding about the given topic, writing the numbers in figures or words. Watch the video and observe the given details very carefully so that you can make links within the given details and the upcoming task clearly.
When is your friend Betty coming?
She should be here anytime soon. Here she comes.
Hi, Buzz. Hi, I'm Betty. Hi, Betty. Buzz told me you are coming to visit him.
Hey, Betty. Here's your favorite honey. And you know, I was teaching Amber about numbers less than 1,000. It was so much fun.
Wow, so you know big numbers, right, Amber?
But I haven't taught him how to read the numbers.
Okay, no problem. I'll teach him. Can you tell me what is this number, Amber? Oh, sure. It's 25. Yes, correct. And it is written like this. Now consider this number. Can you tell me the place value of each digit? Yes, the digit 3 is in the hundredths place. Digit 2 is in the tens place and the digit 5 is in the ones place. That's right. Let us see how to read this number. The number in the hundredths place is 3. The last two numbers together are read as 25. So, the number is 325. It is written as this. Notice the sign between 20 and 5. It is called a hyphen. It is used for writing the names of numbers that are joined, like 25. Sometimes, number in one of the place values is a 0. Then let's see how you read them. Consider this number. The number in the hundredths place is 4. The digit in the tens place is 0. And the ones digit is 6. And it is read as 406. Since the last two digits are read together, 0 and 6 together is only 6. Now, Amber, can you read this number? Sure. The hundredths digit is 6. Tens digit is 2. And ones digit is 0. Since the last two digits are read together, the number is read as 620. Very good, Amber. You answered correctly. We saw how to write numbers in words. Now let us see how to identify the number given in words. Let's see the first number. It's 232. 200 means the digit in the hundredths place is 2. The digits in the tens and ones place are read together. That is 32. So, the number is written as this. Now, identify the figures for the number given in words, Amber. 700 means the digit in the hundredths place is 7. The digits in the tens and ones place are 0 and 5. So the number is written as this. You're right, Amber. Let's quickly revise the concepts. You can use the concept of place value to express given number in words. You can also identify the figures for the number given in words.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Now coming towards the written task. You have to complete page number 9 of textbook, question number 1, 2 and 3. This is regarding writing the numbers in figures as well as in words. While doing this task, you have to keep few things into your mind. You should have a complete understanding about the spellings of the given numbers. Moreover, you need to know that what is the place value of each of the given digit in the given number. These things will help you to come up with the correct answer. Alright, hope you enjoyed the written task and it was not difficult at all. Coming towards the wrap up of the lesson, write the numbers in words. Look at the given numbers as the place value is also identified at the top of each of the digit for the given numbers. This will help you to find out the units, tens and hundreds for each of the given number. And in this way you can write down in words very easily. Just look at the first number and it makes, yes, 258. And the second number is 397. Our third number is 428. Our next number is 757. And our last number is 822. I'm sure that you know the spellings of all of these numbers and you can write it down independently. Now coming towards the reinforcement task. This is a list of numbers 1 to 10 and the spellings of each of the number are given in front of each of the number and you have to revise it accordingly. In the same way, this is another list of numbers 11 to 20 and you have to revise the spellings accordingly. Just look at the list carefully. You will find that 13 to 19. We have all the numbers ending at teen. Always remember this thing into your mind, that 13 to 19. All of these numbers end at teen. Coming towards the last list of numbers, which is in tens. This is the counting of tens from 20 till 100. And you have to revise the spellings accordingly. If you look at this list carefully, from 20 to 90, the numbers are ending at TY. Always remember this fact into your mind, that the numbers in tens from 20 to 90 end at TY. Let's start with lesson number 2. Topic for this lesson is ordinal numbers. We have two objectives for this lesson. First one is to identify the ordinal numbers and the next one is to write the ordinal numbers in words. Mental starter. The activity given for mental starter is you have to identify the position of green ball from right and then from left. Yes, counting from the right side, the green ball comes at what number? First, second, third, fourth, fifth or sixth? Just think about it. Yes, on fifth. And starting from the left, green ball comes on which position? At what number? First, second, third, fourth, fifth or sixth? Yes, on second. From both of the sides, the position of green ball comes on different point. So, the number which tells the position of something, that is ordinal numbers. As the green ball has fifth position from right side and second position from left side. Coming towards the next part of the lesson, main activity. Within this part, we will discuss in detail about ordinal numbers. An ordinal number tells the position of an object in a list, like first, second, third. We have discussed it in mental starter as well with the help of an activity. Ordinal numbers show us the order of things one after the other. If you look at the given dots of different color, starting from the left, the red one stands at first. The second one, yellow color, is at second position. Green color dot is at third position. Blue color dot at fourth position. and the purple color dot is at 5th position. Most ordinal numbers end in th, like 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, even onwards 17th, 18th, 19th, and even in the counting of tens, 20th, 30th, 40th, 50th, even 45th, 65th, 75th, and so on. But few ordinal numbers do not end in th. While writing ordinal numbers, you have to take care of these things, like first, second, third. First for 1, second for 2, and third for 3. These numbers, when we write it in ordinal form, these do not end in th, but first is st, second is nd, and third is rd. While writing ordinal numbers, keep all these points into your mind. So far we have discussed all of the main points in relevance of the given topic, ordinal numbers. To get the topic more clearly, let's watch this video.
Hello kids! Look at these colorful and bright footballs. Can you tell how many footballs are there in total? Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Do you know these counting numbers are also called the cardinal numbers? Yes, cardinal numbers tell us the quantity. Hence, there are 5 footballs in total. Are you ready for the most exciting race ever? Come on, let us find out who is the fastest among all. Look, the red ball has come first. The blue ball has come second. The green one has come third. The yellow one has come fourth. And the orange one has come fifth. Look, in order to tell the order of the things, we have used the ordinal numbers. Yes, ordinal numbers show the position or order of things. Wasn't that interesting? Now check out the list of the cardinal and ordinal numbers on the screen. Number 1 is the first number. Number 2 is the second number. Number 3 is the third number. Number 4 is the fourth number. Number 5 is the fifth number. Number 6 is the sixth number. Number 7 is the seventh number. Number 8 is the eighth number. Number 9 is the ninth number. And number 10 is the 10th number. Let's take another example to understand the concept. Can you tell me how many letters are there in the word butterfly? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Well, there are 9 letters in total. Can you tell the position of the letter L in the word butterfly? Since L is at number 8, so its position is 8th. Likewise, the positions of the other letters are shown. Well, kids, I hope you had fun learning cardinal and ordinal numbers. I'll see you around. Bye!
I'm sure that the video was quite interesting and it was really helpful for you to clarify the topic with complete understanding. Ordinal numbers is no more difficult for you now and you can handle the written task very conveniently. You have to complete page number 10 of your textbook. This is regarding ordinal numbers. So take your time. Coming towards the last segment of the lesson, wrap up. You have to think about the given question. What is the position of yellow crayon from right side and from left side? Just think about it. There are different colored crayons in a row, and you have to identify the position of yellow crayon in terms of ordinal numbers from both of the sides, from right and from left. Isn't that difficult? Yes? Come up with your answer. There are how many crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 crayons. And from the very right side, the yellow colored crayon is on 9th position. Yes, correct. And from the left side, it is on which position? Yes, on the first. Very correct. Good job. Coming towards the next question of wrap up, it's also very interesting. These clouds are filled with ordinal numbers. And you have to spell the ordinal numbers in words. These are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 7th, 20th, 50th, 10th, and 30th. And I'm sure you can spell all these without making any error. Yes, you can. Okay? Yes, the strategy is very simple. You have to write down the spellings of the given number and then add th. Just for few numbers, you don't have to add th, like first, second, and third. But the rest of the numbers, you will add th with the respective spellings of the given number. Right. Alright, children, for reinforcement task, you have to complete page number 11 of textbook. This is regarding numbers in tens. Counting of numbers in tens. Coming towards the third lesson of this week, the topic for this lesson is comparing and ordering. And the objectives are compare two sets of numbers. Next objective is identify a greater number by using relevant symbol. And the third one is arrange the given numbers in ascending or descending order. Let's start our lesson with mental starter. Look at the given pictures very carefully. You can observe place value charts. 2 place value charts are given over here, each filled with different numbers in the respective columns. You can see within the first place value chart, there are 4 units, 3 tens, and 2 hundreds. And it makes a number 234. Within the next chart, you can see there are 5 units, 3 tens, and 2 hundreds. And it makes a number 235. Now if I ask you a question, that which is the greater number? Yes, my question is, which is the greater number? 234 or 235? Yes, 235 is the greater number. Correct. This is a picture taken from page number 18 of mathematics textbook. This is an example regarding comparing and ordering. You can observe very clearly there are 2 place value charts given, each filled with respective number in each column. The first one has 271, means 2 hundreds and 7 in tens column and 1 unit in unit column. The picture shows the base 10 apparatus filled within the place value chart. The second one is 219. You have to compare both of these numbers. Always remember, children, that we read the place value chart from right to left. We always discussed this thing. But when you have to compare the two numbers, you always start comparing from the greater value, from the very left, starting from the hundreds over here. How many hundreds in each of the given number? Yes, there are 2 hundreds in each of the given number. As the hundreds are same, so we will move towards the tens now. In the first number we have 7 tens, and in the next number we have 1 tens. Greater tens will be the greater number, as the hundreds are same. So 271 is the greater number as compared to 219. This is another picture taken from page number 19 of mathematics textbook. You can see two place value charts given over here filled with base 10 blocks. You know how to read this place value chart starting from the units. Within the first place value chart, you can see there are how many units? Yes, there are 8 units. So 8 will come at unit place. How many tens? 2. It makes 28. And how many hundreds? Yes, 4. What number does it make? It makes 428. This is our first number. Look at the second place value table. We have how many units? Yes, there are 3 units. And how many tens? No tens. Means 3 will come under the unit place. 0 will come within the tens place. And how many hundreds? There are 4 hundreds. So we have our number over here within the second place value table is 403. Now children, you have to compare both of these numbers, 428 and 403. As we read the place value chart from the very right side, but we compare the numbers from the left side. Yes, starting from the highest value. So hundreds are again the same over here. So moving towards the tens, we have 2 tens in the first number, 428, and 0 tens in the second number, 403. So which is a greater number with greater tens? Yes, 428. That's the correct answer. That's a greater number as compared to 403. Well children, continuing with the same topic, comparing and ordering. We have compared different sets of numbers so far. One thing which comes into our mind is, why do we compare numbers? We compare numbers to find out that which is the greater number and which is the smaller one. To get the idea more clearly with complete understanding, let's watch this video.
There was an alligator living in the swamp who'd sneak up on numbers and start to chomp. Whenever 2 numbers sat on the ground, she'd face the bigger one and gobble it down. When there are 2 numbers that are the same, the gator changes form and she swaps her name. Because she isn't sure exactly how to dine, she stands right in the middle as an equal sign. Number gators like to eat what's greater. They turn their backs on what is less. Their mouths open wide for the bigger side, and they munch down the whole great mess.
For more songs, games, and original stories, visit Brainsy.com.
Well, hope you enjoyed the video. It was quite interesting. Yes, it really was. Crocodile always wants more. It wants the bigger number. It wants more. So the crocodile mouth always opens towards the bigger number. This thing you have to keep into your mind while comparing 2 numbers. Crocodile mouth always opens towards the bigger number. Now this is time to do some task. Question is, identify the greater number. There are different sets of numbers given over here. You can see the first one is 39 and 37. You have to compare these 2 numbers. So what's the process of comparing? You have to start comparing from the highest place value. Which is the highest place value over here? Just imagine, because no place value table given over here, no place values identified at the top. You have to imagine yourself. Yes, these are units and tens on both of the sides. First, we have to compare what place value. Yes, tens. What tens both numbers are having? These are same. 3 tens in both of the numbers. Now coming towards the units. 39 has how many units? 9 units. And 37 has how many units? 7 units. So, which is the greater number? 39 because the units in this number are greater as compared to 37. So which symbol, how will you place your symbol over here? Crocodile mouth always opens towards greater number. Yes, towards 39. Moving onwards towards the next set of numbers, 53 and 48. Take your time and try to solve it yourself. Let's compare the highest values. Yes, 53 is the bigger number, is the greater number as compared to 48 because the value of tens is greater in 53 as compared to 48. So the crocodile mouth will open towards 53. Coming towards the next number, set of numbers is 390, 309. Observing both of the numbers starting from which place value? Yes, hundreds. Both of the numbers have same hundreds. Now moving towards the tens. 390 has 9 tens while 309 has 0 tens. So we have decided over here that 390 is the bigger number as compared to 309. So use the symbol very carefully, very wisely, that crocodile mouth open towards bigger number 390. Same way 575, 755. This set of numbers has different hundreds. Start comparing, take your time. Yes, which is the bigger number? 755. Why? Give reason. Yes, because 7 is a bigger value for 100 as compared to 5. So the crocodile mouth will open towards 755. Correct. Alright children, I want to make one thing very clear, that never confuse the symbols, that one is for greater and one is for the smaller. But always remember one thing into your mind, that crocodile mouth always opens towards the greater and closed towards the smaller. So the greater number can be on the right side or can be on the left side. So you have to place the symbol accordingly. Alright, after doing practice with different sets of numbers for comparing different numbers, let's do this time with more than 2 numbers. If we have a set of 3 numbers, how can we compare it to arrange these in ascending order? Ascending means increasing order from smallest to greatest. If we have 3 numbers, 52, 73 and 25, you have to compare first of all the highest value given over here, that is tens. We have 5 tens, 7 tens and 2 tens. Which is the smallest tens among these? Yes, 2 tens. So 25 is the smallest number. And the next highest to 25 is 52 because it's having 5 tens. And the highest number among these 3 is 73 because it is having highest tens, that is 7. In this way, we can write down the set of numbers in ascending order. Look at the next set of numbers, 930, 945, 903. Compare these numbers starting from the highest value again from hundreds and write down these in ascending order, in increasing order from smallest to greatest. Take your time and do it yourself. Let's come up with the answer. Imagine the place value in hundreds. Yes, this is 9 for all of these numbers. And next is tens. We have 3 tens, 4 tens and 0 tens, which is the smallest tens. Obviously 0. 903 is the smallest number among these. Next highest is 930 because 3 is the smaller tens than 4. So highest number over here is 945. Correct. Comparing and ordering. Alright children, so far we have done comparing with different sets of numbers. Comparing can be done with more than 2 numbers as well. If you look at the given question and the given numbers, arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending means decreasing order from greatest to smallest. The set of numbers is 37, 82 and 95. You have to compare these three numbers in the same way, in relevance of place value. Yes, we have units and tens in each of the given numbers. So we will start comparing with greater value, that is tens. We have 3 tens in the first number 37, 8 tens in the second number 82 and 9 tens in the third number 95. So which number has the highest tens? 95. So our 95, this number is the greatest number within these three. And the next number is 82, less than 95. And less than 82 is 37. So in descending order, how we will write it? Yes, 95, 82 and 37. Well, building on the same thing, arrange the numbers in descending order, greatest to smallest. Look at the given set of numbers 315, 905, 579. You have to compare these three numbers in order to arrange them in descending order, starting from the greatest. Yes, apply the same process of comparing the highest value, that is hundreds first. Which number is having the highest 100 is the greatest number. Take your time and try to solve it yourself. Yes, let's come up with the answer. Which is the greatest number having highest 100? That is 905. Which is the next highest 100? Yes, 5. 579. Which is less than 9 but more than 3. So 905 is the greatest number. Next is 579, which is less than 905. And the smallest number is 315 because it is having smallest 100 in the given three numbers. Okay, now this is the time for written task. Keeping all of the activities and details into your mind, you have to complete page number 20, comparing numbers, and page number 21, arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order. In both of the questions, you have to take care of place value. Take your time. Our next question is about arrange in the ascending order the given set of numbers. As there are more than 2 numbers, so you have to compare in the same way you have done it earlier. So try to arrange it yourself. Ascending means increasing order from smallest to greatest. Let's come up with the answer. Which is the smallest number among these, having the smallest 100? Yes, 254. Then comes 367. And the greatest number is 687. Moving towards the next question, arrange in descending order. Look at the given set of numbers and you have to arrange from bigger towards the smaller. Descending means in decreasing order. Take your time. Let's come up with the answer. Yes, which is the greatest number over here? Yes, 989. Then comes 988 and the smallest one is 898. Correct answer. Alright children, coming towards the reinforcement task. You have to complete page number 19 of textbook. Which set shows the smaller or greater number? You have to take care of place value while solving these sums.